In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your organization ID in Zoho Desk. This is a really useful thing to know, especially if you're working with integration, APIs, or you're setting up connections with other tools that require your Zoho Desk org ID. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Zoho Desk account. First, make sure you're logged into Zoho Desk as an agent or admin with access to the setup options. Once you're on the main Zoho Desk interface, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You should see a small gear icon, which represents the setup or settings area. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This will open the main setup page, where all your configuration options are located. On the setup page, you'll notice several sections or categories. What you're looking for is the section labeled Developer Space. This is where Zoho Desk keeps all the tools related to development, custom integrations, and APIs. Click on Developer Space to open it. Inside Developer Space, you'll see multiple options, but the one we're interested in right now is called APIs. This is where you can find details related to your API usage, authentication, and other technical information that's often needed by developers or for advanced configurations. Click on APIs to continue. Once you're on the APIs page, take a moment to let everything load. Here, Zoho Desk presents key information that you can use for connecting external applications and services. Among the details shown on this page, you should see a field or section labeled Org ID, short for Organization ID. Your Organization ID is usually displayed